Right now, these historical and medical mystery videos, narrated by a skeleton character, are pulling in millions of views across YouTube and TikTok, and people are obsessed with this blend of eerie storytelling and educational facts. In this tutorial, you're going to see exactly how to build this entire automated content engine from scratch. First, click the link in the description to open the Bone Witness Custom Assistant, which runs inside Gemini. Then now, type your topic, for example, the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, and hit enter. Gemini will generate a 5-part narrative arc told from the perspective of a skeleton witness, including the witness hook, rising mystery, climax, scientific reveal, and lingering echo, and each section comes with a narrative paragraph and a ready-to-use image prompt in a grey code block. Go to the first section and copy all the image prompt on the code block. Then, now open Google Flow and click Create New Project, paste your first prompt into the text field, then set the model to Imagen 4, the aspect ratio to 9:16, then click Generate. While it's rendering, copy the second image prompt from Gemini, then paste the prompt, and generate again. Then repeat this process for all 5 sections until you have all your images ready. Then download all the images once they're finished. If you want a full voiceover, just type, write the full narration script with 5 seconds voice over each scenes, and Gemini will generate it for you. Next, go to Flex Clip, click the AI Video Studio, and open the Image to Video tool. Upload your first image. Set the model to Seedance 2.0, and in the Motion Prompt field, go back first to Gemini and request a video prompt for each scene. Once it's done, copy it and paste it in Flex Clip, then click Generate and download the clip once it's done. Repeat this process for all 5 images until you have 5 cinematic clips. But before we move on, you can also use a reference image from the link in the description and upload it alongside your prompts in Google Flow to keep the skeleton character consistent across every scene. Now, if you want to skip all the manual work, go to our school community. The link is in the description below. Now click the Classroom tab, then click Airtable Templates and find the Bone Witness workflow lesson. Then you will see the ready-made prompts. Now scroll up a bit until you see the link for all tools we use. But for now, click the Airtable link. After that, you'll see different kinds of channel inside of Airtable, but this time we need to find the channel called Bones Witness, since that's our niche for this video. Click that channel, then scroll down a bit until you find the Episodes section. Then, let's create our first episode. For this example, write EP1 as our title for this. Then click that Episode tab. Then we need to write our idea for our content, and for this example, let's put the 1906 San Francisco earthquake. Then after that, set the Status tab into Story Automation button and wait for it until you see the thumbnail picture. Then after you see the thumbnail picture, set the status into Full Automation. It will generate the scripts, create the images, and organize everything automatically, so you don't have to switch between tools. Now for the audio, go to Art List and search for Eerie Historical Ambient. Choose a track that has tension but stays subtle, and download it. For the narration, go to 11 Labs, paste the script generated by Gemini before, choose a voice that sounds witty and slightly raspy, then generate and download the audio file. Now open CapCut and import your video clips, voiceover, music and sound effects. Arrange the clips in order, align the narration with the visuals, and lower the volume to around -20 decibels. Place sound effects at key moments, and trim everything so the pacing is smooth and engaging. So now your video is now ready.
The ground didn't just shake, it roared like a beast waking up for a very destructive breakfast. As the dust settled, I noticed the city wasn't just broken. It was rearranging itself along strange, jagged lines, melting glass right out of the window frames. You see, the San Andreas fault had slipped 20 feet in seconds. Now the giant sleeps beneath the coffee shops, just waiting to stretch its heavy limbs again.
You could upload it to TikTok and YouTube manually, but if you want to be smart, use a scheduling tool. If you are just starting out, use Metricool to manage your posts and track your views. If you want the absolute best experience, use Vista Social. Upload your video once, write your caption, and schedule it to hit YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels simultaneously. Then sit back and let the algorithm push your content to millions of viewers while you move on to the next project. Remember, everything you need, the prompts, the Airtable template, and the full workflow is waiting for you in the school community. The link is in the description.